Since I forgot to fix this, here's a quick video on how to change the index button on all of your slides. So I'm going to click on this index button. Notice how it says deleted slide. Click this pencil over here to edit the link. Click on slides in this presentation. And then select slide number 2, index. And click apply. Next, you're going to copy this by either right mouse clicking on it and selecting copy, or going to the edit menu and copy here. Since we want this on every page, we're going to scroll down by clicking away from the object first and tapping the down arrow on your keyboard. Notice how the first one is my totem animal is. The second one is my favorite band music song. So I'm going to click on here and delete this one. And then paste in the same index one from the previous slide by holding the control key down and tapping the letter V. Notice how it has the correct link in here. So I'm going to keep scrolling down and doing the same thing to each subsequent slide. Control V, click on the next slide, click this, delete it, Control V, next slide, click this, delete it, Control V, or edit, paste. Notice how it has Control V right here. Next slide, favorite movie, delete this, Control V, Dream Vacation, delete that, Control V, delete this one, Control V, and just keep doing that on every slide. Control V, one more I think, yep, and Control V. The second thing you need to do on every slide presentation that you create, click the share button, and down here at the bottom, click where it says change link to San Diego Unified School District and click done. That way, when we add it to our web page, it will be able to be seen from everyone who views your web page. Also, notice I misspelled because here, so you have to fix this also. And that's it.